Here's how to update YouTube on your iPhone. Now, if you have YouTube open, let's first just close out of the YouTube app and head into the App Store instead. I'm going to show you two different ways to update it. The first way is the simple way, and the second way is the more robust way that will clear out all the cache and temporary files and force update it. All you need to do is tap on the search bar here, and we're just going to search for YouTube. And if it says update right next to YouTube here instead of open, just tap on that update button. However, keep in mind, you might want to go through the second option instead because it clears out all the cache and temporary files and force updates it. So let's try that option as well. Let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then we'll tap on General towards the bottom. And there you can see is iPhone storage. On here, you'll be able to see every app on your iPhone, including that YouTube app. All we need to do is find YouTube on this list, and we're gonna first offload the app, and then we're gonna reinstall it. By going through this process, it force updates it to the latest version, but more importantly, it clears out all the cache and temporary files, and it gives you all the latest features.